In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add currencies on your chart labels here in Google Sheets. So adding a currency on your chart label isn't actually done with the edit chart. So even though I'm going to click on this part right here in the vertical axis, we won't be able to change any of these data or add any currency to it. The only way that we'll be able to do that would be to actually format the existing data where our chart is based from and just format it into the currency that you need for your data. So for this one, I'm just going to select this data right here and then go to the toolbar and select Format as Currency. If I click on that, there you have it. It will automatically add that $sign onto our vertical axis right here. Now, if you need it to be another type of currency, again, you're just going to go back to this one, go to Format, select Number, go to Custom Currency, and just select the one that you need for your data. Let's say it's going to be the British pound. Click on Apply, and there you have it. So that's how quick and easy it is to add currencies on your chart labels here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.